Hello everyone. In this video series, we're going to cover the basics about Basecamp and how to get you started in no time. I'm Shubhajit Ghosh, your host, and let's get started. So, Basecamp is a beautiful project management tool and it can literally do everything. But however, we are creating a short video series just to help you set up. Whether you are a client, an employee, or a partner working for a company which uses Basecamp, this video series will contain the absolute basics to just help you set up everything and keep going with your own. With that being said, Basecamp has a lot of features that can actually help you with almost any kind of work. But if I go and actually talk about all of these features, it will really take a lifetime or let's say a lot of work. So I'm gonna keep it brief and I'm gonna talk about the absolute essential things that you need to just get started up. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to cover the project dashboard. And the project dashboard, I mean that this window that you see over here. So once you log into Basecamp, all you have to do is click on the home button and you are automatically redirected to the project dashboard. The project dashboard has the pinned projects, which are basically these things. So the pinned projects are basically the projects that you want to see on the first, and it also contains all of the projects down below. If you want to have any project that you want to pin it to the top, you can simply click on this small icon and it gets pinned to the top. So those are all about pinned projects and the recent projects. One other thing that you can do to find any project is just click on the view all in a list button over here. So all you have to do is click over here and you just have to write the name of any project that you want to view, and that project will show up. You can also sort the projects by teams, by clients, or even by the letters that they have. Another most interesting thing about Basecamp is that you can also use Ctrl+J or CTRL+J to get to any project or jump to any project as soon as possible. So just hit CTRL+J and it opens up a search window, pretty much like the view in all list. You just have to type the name of the project or anything similar. So if I type something like this, it should show up. As you can see, the project is showing up, and if I click over here, I'm immediately redirected to the project. So that's all about the projects and how you can find them. Let's jump on to some of the things that we have down here below. So the first thing that you see is a schedule option. So basically all it contains all the schedules that you have on your calendar, any meetings or something or some important task that needs to be done, all come up over on your schedule section. Your assignments are basically your assignments or your to-dos that are assigned to you and needs to be completed in a specific period of time. This bar shows everything that you have assigned to you and that needs to be completed. One other thing is the navigation bar, which never actually moves. So no matter where you are in Basecamp, this navigation bar is always remains fixed in its position and shall never move. You have the home, the lineup button, the pings, basically your DMs, the haze, which are basically your notifications, your activity logs, some of your own stuff. So basically you can set keyword shortcuts over here, and if you want to search for anything, you have a small search bar over here. So that wraps up everything about the project dashboard. In the next video, we're going to cover something about the projects itself. So let's come into that in the next video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.